Hazrat Abdullah bin Zayd radiyallahu anhu states, after conquering Hunain, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam distributed the booty, granting more to those whose hearts to be enclosed. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam was then appraised that the helpers wished that they ought to have been granted what was granted to the other people. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon got up, addressed the people. After extolling and praising Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O the group of the helpers, did not I find you led astray? Then Allah Jalla Jalaluhu guided you through me. Weren't you destitute? So Allah Jalla Jalaluhu made you affluent through me. Weren't you split in groups? Then Allah Jalla Jalaluhu united you through me. The helpers were submitting simultaneously. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam confer ample favor on us. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Why do not you give a reply? They thereupon submitted. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam confer a lot of favor on us. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, If you had wished, you would have said, It should happen in this way, it should happen in this way, and the episode occurred on this way. The reporter says he sallallahu alaihi wasallam mentioned a lot of things which I do not remember now. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, Are not you pleased with it, that the other people may take away the goats and camels, whereas you should take homes? Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The helpers are under clothes while the other people are outer clothes. Had there not be excellence in Hejira, I would have been a member of the helpers. If the people trade through any gorge and the helpers go to some other gorge or pass, I will also go to the helpers' well and pass. Soon you will notice preference after me. So you should exercise patience unless you meet me at the pond, Kausar. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 2443.